Honda CR-V 17-21 models retain the original car system. Shut off the engine and disconnect the power to ensure safety. Remove the air conditioning control panel. Unplug the air conditioning panel cable. Remove the original car display screen fixing screws. Remove the original car display screen. Unplug the monitor cable. Unplug the power cord. Small speaker installation location. Plug in small speakers. Install the power cable. Fixed original car host. Coaxial cabling. Plug in the connection cable to the Android host. Coaxial line connection. Love's connecting cable plug-in. Power cord connection. Install 4 grams antenna, 4G. Install GPS antenna, GPS. Lift down the original display fixing buckle. The display fixing buckle is installed on the Android host. Fixed installation host. Plug in the air conditioning cable. Install air conditioning panel. Click audio. Click on source. Select iPod and click OK. Confirm whether coax or aux is displayed. Realistic. You can call me mine. Move, we tell me what to do. If you're happy, I am too. Please just show me what you like. Don't be shy. I wanna be your girl.